The Daily Code Snippet. Let's take another look at the code from yesterday's video. This example shows microformats as part of an H card. To understand the code, we need to talk about two attributes. The class attribute is added to an element generally for the purpose of being able to target that element for styling. The same class attribute can be applied to any element, but for microformats, the values are predefined. Whether the value has a U- or P- prefix is determined by the type of H card information. The href attribute specifies the URL destination of a link. Note, the URL destination is mail2:jane.doe@example.com. Mail2: activates your email program to send an email. Presented by Designers Learn Code.